All right, everybody, welcome back to Blue Mounds Valley Ranch. Been a busy day around here already. We've been up, went out, checked the cows. Everything's good there. Still getting a few babies born every day. Really started to slow down. We're just about calved out. So the plan for the day is we'll see if it happens or not, but the plan for today is to continue to put that John Deere back together. So I got the power washer in the back of the truck here with me. So I'm headed over from my place to the other side to power wash the tractor, and then we'll get the hood and everything put back on, finish what wiring I need to do. Now that I've said that, I've already realized I just went off and left something that I needed for later today at my house, so that's kind of the way that goes. Let's see. So we'll get that finished, put back together. I got a new pull arm. Last year, when we were brush hogging, I lost one of the pull arms. I can show you what that is later. I ordered that, another 200 bucks into that thing. Anyway, but you have to have it to use a 3-point. So we'll get that all put on and going, and then I'm sure we're going to start working on that Ford, on that 8000, 7800, whatever that model tractor is. It's old. It needs a clutch in it as well. It shouldn't be as big a thing as this John Deere. It's had a couple put in it by us in the past. I am just glad to have that tractor back together for sure, because hay season is going to start. I don't know about any of you guys out there, but we haven't had near enough warm, sunny days. The grass is growing, but it's really not growing like I would like to see it at this point. We need some heat and some sun mixed in with this rain and wet to get this grass to growing, for sure. At this point, I don't know what hay season's going to turn out like, but we'll find out sooner or later. Like I said, everything looked good this morning. That's the plan for the day. We'll see how well that works out. Trying to think of anything else. I think that's about it. I'll catch you on in a little bit. All right, here we are. We're in the John Deere right now, trying to back it out of here, take it over where we're going to power wash it at. Probably going to have to do a 10-point turn here. One thing it does have is good power steering. I'll give it that. She fired right up this morning. Hopefully this thing will continue to work like it should. All right, I'm gonna get out of here and get the power washer set up. knock all the big stuff off. But now the plan is put her back in the shop and finish putting this sucker together, and then bring it back out, soap her back down, and give her a proper bath. Ladies and gentlemen, she is back together. Hood's on, exhaust on, all wired up. So earlier this morning I was talking about a pull arm. That's this right here. It goes up in here and bolts in. I had lost that, I don't know, last year when we were brush hogging, so we couldn't put anything on there on the 3-point. So I got that ordered up. That come from Abilene Machine. I ordered it and I got it here like 2 days later. They're really good about getting stuff here. Let's see. Don't really have any leaks. That little bit of oil you see on the ground there is just from where we were topping off the hydraulic fluid. So far I haven't seen any leaks. I hope it stays that way. I'm getting ready to go back out and clean this thing. Soap it up real good and get this thing ready for hay season, and hopefully she'll stay running for us all summer long with little to no issues. I really love driving this tractor. It drives fantastic. So all right, let's go out there, get this thing cleaned up. Now watch it not start since I've been bragging about it. She started. I love it. Turn a little air on, make sure that's still working. Back this dude out of here. And we're off. High speed first there. Believe the AC is still working. Usually when you split them, it's got connectors that are supposed to seal off. They usually don't work that great. And especially as long as this was sitting apart, I really didn't have any hope that it was going to maintain its charge. But so far, man, it's nice and cool. Get this thing washed up and get it back to work.
Thing is fixed now. Let's hope it can run all summer.
Yeah, that's the truth. All right, there she is, all washed up, cleaned up, ready to go. I guess we'll hook it on to something and see what happens. I don't know. I really don't know what we got going the rest of the day here. But that's one project I said we were going to finish today that we actually did get done. She's not a bad looking old tractor for about a 1976 model. Into the house, eat some lunch, and probably try to mow our yard before we get some more rain, because it's pretty bad. So it's back together. It's been washed. It's been clean. It's running. It's not leaking. I think we may have a tractor ready to cut some hay. I really appreciate everybody out there that's kind of been following us on this project. I do. I hope you all keep watching. I'm going to try to keep bringing you more stuff, because there's always something going on around here. So basically what we've done on that tractor is rebuilt the whole clutch assembly, the PTO, the 2-speed, all new gaskets, O-rings, bearings. I'm trying to think of what else. I can't even remember at this point. The other day, I still haven't figured up how much I've actually spent on it, but I would say it's in the $3,000 to $4,000 probably. But that tractor's a 1976 model, and that's the same model I am. So I'd kind of like to keep it around, as long as I'm around anyway. So I'm going to kind of wrap that thing up. That's kind of going to be the end of it. It's too wet today. I was going to try to hook it on the brush cutter or something, just to try to run it and get some video of it working, but it's just too wet. So like I was saying earlier, our next project's going to be that Ford. Grandpa's ready to get going on it already. So that may be getting started tomorrow. Drop us a comment if you would be interested in watching another one of these kind of rebuilds. That one will be different. This John Deere was a wet clutch assembly. That's going to be a dry clutch assembly. That's just a different machine and different process. So leave a comment in the comments below. Hit like, subscribe, all the good stuff. Let us know if this is something you guys are enjoying and wanting us to continue. I don't mind making these videos. I'm still learning, absolutely, for sure. It takes me a while to edit. I've been having some problems getting video transferred to my computer just because it's a little older, a lot older than this GoPro. But I think I've got that figured out. So hopefully I can stop doing all the editing on my phone, which takes some time. So absolutely, man, leave us a comment. Let us know what's going on your farm or your ranch, or just what's going on in life. We're open to answering questions that I'm capable of answering, and if I don't have those answers, I will seek an answer for you. We started this channel just to kind of get the voice of the small farmer, rancher out there, because I think we're really underrepresented, especially when it comes to the beef checkoff. If you guys haven't done any research on the beef checkoff and where that money's going, it's not going into the right places. It's really hurting it's hurting all cow-calf operators, no doubt. The only people that's making money are the packers. That's enough of that. So once again, I just want to say thank you guys. We are humbled that anybody other than us really cares about what's going on around here. It does excite me to know that people are interested into where their produce and protein and vegetables are all coming from. That's important. It's important to know. So hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment. I mean, I really want to get some conversation going on what you guys would like to see, how I can help, how I can improve this. Appreciate y'all watching.